Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I apply my false nails. So you will get around about the same time as me, which is about 9 to 14 days. You never know, you might even get more. So what you're going to need is you're going to need an alcohol wipe, so an antibacterial wipe. You're going to need nail file, a cuticle pusher, and the nails. So what I'm going to do first of all is using the cuticle pusher. Now I'm going to use this end. I'm going to push back all of my cuticles, so I'm just literally going to go like this, push them back. Hope you can see. So then they're all back, and I'm going to do that for all of the nails. So this way, when we file them, we'll be able to get all of the nail rather than a bit. So I'm going to do that again on all of my nails. So I'm just gently pushing like this, the cuticle back. That's all I'm doing. Just gently pushing. Okay, last one. Okay, so I'll push back. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my nail file, and on the surface of my nail I'm just going to go like this. I'm not going to be like really rough or anything like that. All I'm doing is I'm taking off any glue that is on my nail from the last set, and I'm just giving a rough surface for the new nails to stick to, because if you have that rough surface, the nails are gonna stick better. So I'm just gonna do that on all of the nails. Some need it more than others because some might have glue on, some might not. You're just basically wanting to give like a rough surface like that. Can you see the difference, how that's more shiny? So you're just wanting to give that surface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this on all of the nails, and then once I've done that I'll come back to you. So all of my nails have been buffed. So what I'm going to do, using my cuticle pusher again, I'm going to use this end this time, and I'm just going to go in the sides of the nail and just get any dust or anything like that from that's like gathered in the sides of the nail, and just any grime, and just basically making sure that the cuticles are back like they should be. And if you've got any grime under your actual nails as well, get that out with this pointy end. So I'm just doing the sides of the nails. I'm not being rough, doesn't hurt or anything like that. If it hurts, you're doing it too roughly. Okay, and last one. So we've done that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my antibacterial wipe. Now this wipe will get rid of any germs or anything like that, and if you've got like any open wounds or anything like that, this will sting. So just be careful. So I'm going to get this out of the packet like so. And what this will do as well is, because it's a wipe, it enables us to get rid of all this dust that we've ended up getting on our nails. So instead of it being looking like this, it's now gone like that, and it's still got that rough texture to the nail as well. So when you're putting on your false nails, you don't want all of the dust, because if it's dust, it'll clog up your glue and the nails just won't have a nice surface to stick to. So last one. So now we're all wiped, we're all filed, and we are now ready to to put the nails on. Okay, so these are nails that I'm putting on. I have done a little unboxing of these nails, so I'm going to put that link in the description of this one just in case you fancy them. So I always start to do one hand first. Once I've done one hand, I move to the next. So I'm going to start with my left hand. So I'm going to take the first nail, which is the thumbnail, and using my glue, which is this one, what I'm going to do is, once I move my camera, is I'm going to put a layer of glue onto my nail, so onto my thumb. I'm gonna make sure that it's all covered, every single bit of the nail is covered, and that there is a good coverage. So I'm going to use both sides of my brush, all nice and covered. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to dunk again into my bottle, and using just one side of the brush, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue, like so, on the nail. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold the nail and I'm going to get my thumb, and I'm just going to do it so that I'm just going to slide it like this, so then it meets my cuticle. Okay, so it looks like that, and then once it's on, I'm just going to hold it down like so. Hold it like this. Just make sure that it is covered, completely pressed down like so, and just hold it for about 10 seconds, and that should be stuck on. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, now that I've done that one, I'm going to get my glue again, and I'm going to do my next nail. So the next nail that we want to apply is going to be this finger. Okay, so we want to get that one out. So we've got our glue, we've got our nail. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back into the glue, and I'm going to go back onto my nail, and I'm going to make sure there's a nice good coverage of glue, and then I'm going to go back in. I'm going to get my nail, I'm going to do some nice, a nice blob of glue, well, a nice covering of glue, like so. I'm going to get, and I'm just going to go like this, make sure it meets at the end, and then it's not wonky. If it's wonky, we've got a problem. And then I'm just going to press and hold. Just make sure that it's nice and stuck on. So that's on, it's not stuck to my skin, it's on my nail, which is what we want. And that is literally all you do. You just do that for all of the nails, and then once you've done that, you're ready to go. A bit of cuticle oil if you've got any. So I'm going to go and I'm just going to put all of these nails on, and then once I've done that, I'll come back and show you the end result. Hi everyone, so nails are all nice and on, they're all secure, so that is all you do, and you should get now about 9 to 14 days out of these nails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of the relevant links in the description below. Any questions, any comments, please put them in the comments below. Please do like, please subscribe, make sure the little bell is on, so you know, you can be notified when I upload, and I will see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.